Hello everyone, welcome back to Mechanical Boost. Today, we are diving into a common issue that many drivers face, a dead car battery. Whether you are stranded in a parking lot or stuck on the side of the road, a dead battery can really put a wrench in your plans. Before going to discuss the symptoms, let's quickly discuss the function of car battery. The primary function of the car battery is to provide the initial electrical energy required to start the engine. When you turn the key in the ignition, the battery sends electrical power to the starter motor, which cranks the engine, initiating the combustion process and allowing the engine to run independently. Let's discuss the most common symptoms of a bad car battery. 1. Difficulty starting the engine. One of the most obvious signs is when you turn the key, or press the start button, and nothing happens. If your engine is slow to crank or doesn't crank at all, it's likely a sign that your battery is drained. 2. Dimming lights. Another indicator of a dying battery is when your headlights, interior lights, or dashboard lights appear noticeably dimmer than usual. This can happen when the battery doesn't have enough power to supply all the necessary electrical components of your vehicle. 3. Clicking sound. When you attempt to start your car and you hear a rapid clicking sound, it's often an indication that the battery doesn't have enough power to engage the starter motor. This clicking sound is typically caused by the starter solenoid trying to engage, but failing due to insufficient voltage. 4. Sulfur smell. In some cases, a dead or dying battery can emit a sulfuric smell, similar to rotten eggs. This smell is caused by a chemical reaction that occurs within the battery when it's overcharged or overheated. 5. Dashboard warning lights. Modern cars often have warning lights that indicate battery or charging system issues. If you see a battery warning light illuminated on your dashboard, it's a clear indication that there might be an issue with your battery. 6. Corrosion on battery terminals. The battery terminals connect the battery to the electrical system of the car. Over time, these terminals can accumulate corrosion buildup, which appears as a white, powdery substance. Corrosion impedes the flow of electrical current between the battery and the electrical system, resulting in poor connections and potential starting issues. 7. Old age. Like all components, car batteries have a finite lifespan. On average, a typical lead-acid battery lasts between 3 to 5 years, while newer AGM and lithium-ion batteries may last longer. If your battery is several years old and exhibiting symptoms of weakness, it's likely nearing the end of its lifespan and should be replaced to prevent unexpected failures. 8. Need for jump starts. If your car frequently requires jump starting to get it running, it indicates underlying issues with the battery or charging system. Continuously jump-starting a car without addressing the root cause can lead to further damage to the battery and other electrical components. So, if you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to have your battery tested as soon as possible. Remember, a dead battery can leave you stranded at the most inconvenient times. So, it's always better to address the issue sooner rather than later. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks.